What's up, guys? Today on this video I'll be showing you guys my progression from the 2019 year. Since I finished my swap, I had the roll cage, hydro, and have an angle kit. First event was Andy Slater. So this was basically like a shakedown event. I'm still getting used to the car. You see right here a downshift from third to second. I'm like, oh shit, alright, looking good. Right here I just went with the pull the e-brake, the windy entry. Yeah, I wanted to try the clutch kick entry, but after seeing Julian Jacobs do it, but I was kind of scared to try it because I wasn't used to the car, as you can tell right here. My hands are all over the place. Holy shit, look at that. Oh my god. I think I went for the shifter instead of the hydro. Yeah, after this event, I actually shortened the shifter. It was a little too long. Yeah, I guess when shifting from second to third, it felt like forever. So yeah, I shortened that after this event, and also changed the alignment as well too. Yeah, because I think right here I was running a buttload of toe in the rear. Yeah, I thought that was a badass. I was doing alright on this section of the course, not the entry though. Yeah, I kind of felt bad for my niece. She was riding in the car with me, and you could see her head flopping back, from side to side and shit from my shitty driving. Also, she was sitting in a stock S13 seat in there too, with the harness on. So, yeah, I definitely want to get a bucket seat for that. There we go, second lap. A little bit faster, pulling it from way back there, and I turned the opposite way I'm supposed to go. And she's like, hey, what are you doing, bro? Wrong way. Alright, second event was a private day. Here you can see I'm looking at the GoPro, make sure I'm recording, because I tend to forget to press record. I mounted and everything, and everyone's like, oh, let's go. Alright, cool, let's go. And I forget to press record, so make sure I was recording this time. So there we go. In this event, I wanted to just focus on just learning my clutch kicks. Ooh, a little weenie one right there, just to get the feel for it. I can do better. Alright, let's go. Next one. And then plus, like Jaime right here wanted to tandem with me. I was like, I'm not too sure, but fuck it, I'm using this as a practice to practice my clutch kicks. There we go, clutch kick it. Ooh, a little aggressive. And right here you can see the wheels are facing to the left, or little, and understeer and go straight to the tire wall. And on this one, I think I bent a tie rod. Yeah, and also I scratched my VSKF. This is the first scratch I made to him. I was kind of mad, kind of bugged about it, but fuck it, that's why I have them, so I can rock them when I'm drifting. There's no point of having them, just for show and shit. So, you see all the dust coming off, all the rocks, fuck. Yeah, the next time, I think Martin, I don't know if it's Martin or Jaime, but I was like, you know what, let's go. I tend to do a little bit better under pressure, so there we go. Little clutch kick. Ooh. So it's a little bit better, a little wider out. Not too bad. I kind of got it now, and someone was chasing me too, so so I'll do a lot better when I'm just by myself. Right here, ooh, oh yeah, and here I think I was just barely getting into like tandems and stuff. And this is the first time, I think this is the first time he was chasing me. First time anyone was chasing me, basically, so you can tell right there I got scared. The line right here, it's like, it's alright, I guess. Not too crazy, but I could do better. Right here, yeah. Boo. Here, I know I've seen two people recording, so I'm like, oh, let me get a little bit closer, a little more angle, and then I ended up messing up my line. For trying to show off. Fucking dude, man. You couldn't just follow your line and that's it. No, you had to show off a little bit. Such a punk. Look at my sticker on my helmet. Right here, the 3-car tandem. I'm like, alright, number one. I'm going first. I'm a badass. I'm gonna clutch kick in the entry and shit. There we go. Number one. Alright, everyone's good. Let's go. Here we go. going fast. Over here, just past the house. Clutch kick in. Ooh. Got it pretty good. Alright, ooh, full lock. And I got scared because I thought I was going to go off. Well, I think I was going to go off, so I overcorrected and understeered. Yeah, after this, the car felt kind of weird. I would understeer everywhere. Yeah, and also, I was running these trash tires. These tires are maybe like 4 years old, and they've been outside too, so they're kind of like dry and shit, so they don't have that much grip. Well, they have no grip. So yeah, after this event, yeah, I swapped over to new front tires. I didn't get the RSRs. I got the SS, the Federal SS. Yeah, right here, like understeer again. I don't know. It just felt like it was just all over the place. Right here, I'm like checking in, like, oh, my steering's off. And I think, yeah, and also too, I think my tie rod bent back from the crash earlier. Yeah, because I just hammered it out, and I think it went back to bent. Well, I bent again, because I think at the end of the whole event, I looked at it and it was bent. So, yep. I think, yeah, after this, yeah, that's when everything felt super sloppy. Oh yeah, well, I went back to, yeah, after this event, I got brand new tires in the front. I also went up a size too, because these are 225 40s, 18. So I went 235 40, 18. Alright, so here we go. Yeah, you guys go first, because, yeah, my shit's all weird. So, boom, clutch kick. Ooh, alright, way better. Alright, I'm going full lock right here. I get over centered. Here we go, keep going. Yeah, I'm running used tires in the rear. Nah, in the rear, running used tires. I think there were 215s. They're used tires, man, alright? I'm on a budget. Okay, I don't have enough money to freaking spend on some brand new tires the whole time, you know? Yeah, and Hyman right here in front of me, the one in the middle, he was running 265s. Brand new tires, too, so. There we go, boom! Not too bad, and Martin spins out, I'm like, oh shit! And I hit Hyman in the rear. The next event was Blazing Dory. Dude, this was like the most fun I've ever had at an event. And I met so many cool people at this event. And dude, like, I don't know, just this whole event was like fucking badass. So if they have another one in 2020, definitely gonna go to it. And ooh, right here tending me with Basel. Well, his car's white right now, but I think this is his first event that he went to. Yeah, I think it was, because he was running gram lights at the time. You can see the gram lights in the front. Yeah, he should have never got rid of those. Those are badass. But yeah, this is the first event I think he did, and I was trying to tandem with him and shit. Yeah, afterwards he told me, he's like, yeah, dude, you freaking scared the shit out of me. I've seen half of your car on this turn right here. He's like, I've seen half of your car. I was like, oh fuck, he's gonna hit me. But yeah, no, it was close, but you know, we didn't hit each other, and that's why he went off right here, because he got scared. Weenie. If you watch this boss, you're a weenie. Just kidding. Oh yeah, you can see my freaking Ganadors right there. Those are actual Ganadors, not the GK Tech style Ganadors. Some dude at the end of this event told me, hey man, I like your Ganador style mirrors. Those are actual Ganadors. Yeah, I kind of lost the mirror at the first entry I did. It just flew off. There we go. Clutch kick. Ooh, getting way more confident on this. Yeah, in this event I was way more confident in the car, and plus I had the brand new tires in the front. Some Federal SS. I also went up a size 235. Oh yeah, you can tell right there, I developed the freaking fuel cut at this event. But I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm still gonna run it. Yeah, I can't get that straight right there. I just can't figure it out. I got it now, but at that time I just couldn't figure out how to connect that. Alright, right here, getting it, a little more angle. Yeah, right here I was just going, if I'm by myself, I don't go full throttle or anything. Well, I never do go full throttle. I think right here you can tell fuel cut. Yep, fuel cut right there. But fuck it, whatever. Drove all the way over here, and I let a little fuel cut stop me from driving. So fuck it. I think this day was like super hot too. Like one of the hottest days. Oh, hottest event that I went to. There you go, Martin. Ooh. Yeah, Martin. Ooh, it's my tandem buddy. Yeah, he was having, I think his inner tie rods were messed up. Once again. He was going too slow. Hit the tires right there, then boom! Hit this tire barrier. Yeah, the time when it happened, didn't seem like it was a hard hit. But everyone said, yeah, after watching the video, everyone's like, dude, that shit looks super hard. And on this one, I didn't bend a tie rod or anything, but I did get a bruised elbow. My elbow was hurting the next day, so I guess it was pretty hard. So, alright, here's the next one. Oh, boom, just past the house, clutch again. Ooh, this one I got it pretty good. Look at that. There we go. If I didn't have this fuel cut right here, ooh, it would have been badass. Oh yeah, so I ended up finding out that fuel cut is because the little bracket that holds the fuel pump in the tank was like an inch higher. It wasn't seated all the way down, like the bracket that holds it. So it was basically like an inch above where it was supposed to be sitting, so that's what it caused the fuel cut. Ooh. See right here, I was cutting that too, right here, like cuts out. Yep. Yeah, it's kind of frustrating, but whatever, fuck it. I'm right here, freaking Martin. Hey man, what's up? Go. He was telling me right here for me to go first, but I couldn't hear him because we don't have walkie-talkies or anything. So I thought he was saying that he goes first or I go. I don't know. Yeah, we need to get some walkie-talkies so that way we can communicate better. See who's follow who and stuff. So here we go. Clutch kick just past the house. Ooh, getting way more confident in these tires. Oh my god, they're making a big difference. Oh, and my car was oversteering and getting stuck at full lock, which you can tell in one of my videos how I fixed the steering lock, my steering bind issue. I'll put a little thing on top so you guys can check it out. And Martin right there telling me about his inner tie rods. Yeah, I don't think any of our cars were at 100% during this event, but it was like one of the most fun events I've been to. Boom, clutch kick, and fucking my tire got stuck on the end. I think it over-centered, and I think it was hitting the lip on the side too. And the RX-7 right there. Alright, right here on this one. I think this one just entered too because their tires were pretty much at the end of their life. You can hear them. You can hear them. Oh my god, Martin starts drifting. So I gotta wait till this next turn. There we go. Start drifting right now. Right here, just trying to practice my tandems to get a little bit closer. Right here, I'm reeling Martin in. Ooh, hitting the inner lip on the frame. Good. Martin goes in. He goes a little bit wide. I go on the inside. I get to catch up. There we go, and right here. Ooh. It looks like I was close, but super close right there. Dude. Yeah, I kind of transitioned a little too early right there, but dude, I was so stoked on that run. Oh my god. You can tell right there in the video. I'm all happy and shit. But yeah, this was the second event that we were practicing our tandems. The first one, you could tell, it was a little whatever, but yeah, on this one, I think we got it way better, a little more tuned in than the other event. But yeah, dude, this is definitely hands down one of the best events of 2019. Yeah, badass, had fun the whole time, even though my car was cutting out, but it was still fun. So much seat time, and yeah, just hands down badass. But yeah, I had this footage here, so I wanted to make a video, you know, so I can see my progression and show you guys my progression while I'm drifting and stuff. So yeah, let me know, you know, let me know. Oh, I said let me know. I don't know why I said that, but alright. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Yeah, the next one's gonna be pretty sick. Yeah, I gotta install a couple things on my car from the last drift event that I did. Yeah, I messed up a couple things, so yeah, it's for another video. So stay tuned for that one. Alright, guys. Peace.